date is from June 2020, mining under Nasomo land from June to November.
The trustees and members of the Nasomo Landowners Trust, the general manager for the Watakola gold mine, government officials, members of the media. Bulavinak, and a very good morning to you all. On behalf of the leader of government, the Prime Minister, I'm glad to be here. Glad to be back in Watakola to hand over the fair share of money, mineral royalty payout to the Nasomo Landowners Trust. Today's payout is the combined 13th and 14th payout of mineral royalty. Shared to the Nasomo Landowners Trust since the enactment of the fair share of mineral royalties in Act in 2018, Section 30 of the 2013 Constitution, which gives the rights of landowners to a fair share of royalties for extraction of minerals, from the basis of the formulation and the enactment of this Act. Last week I was in Vanuatu with my team from the MRD, where we are commissioning groundwater projects, borehole projects. Once again, these are projects to make sure that Fijians have access to clean and safe drinking water, and this also is in the 2013 Constitution, and is also in SDG 6, which calls for availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Today's event is a reflection of your government's foresight in ensuring socio-economic empowerment of all Fijians, and more specifically in this case, landowners and land-owning units who contribute to national economic development by supporting and facilitating mineral development projects on their land. This is aligned to SDG number 1, education, eradication of poverty in all forms, SDG number 3, good health and well-being, and further reflected in our 2013 Constitution. This payout is the result of the gold and silver mined from beneath Nasomo land for the period June to November 2021, with a total of approximately $196,000 to be distributed or shared amongst 123 Nasomo Landowners Trust members. This payment is in accordance to Section 5 of the Fair Share of Mineral Royalties Act of 2018, which states that 80% of mineral royalties be given to land-owning units or customary fishing rights holders and 20% retained by the state. From 2018 to date, a total mineral royalty fair share of approximately $1.08 million has been paid to the Nasomo Landowners Trust. So we are receiving $1 million. So make an non-to trust. I'm greatly encouraged by my team's confirmation that the Nasomo Landowners Trust members have agreed to invest a certain percentage of their mineral royalty fair share payout. Having said that, I wish to thank Watakola Gold Mines Limited for its commitment to the future of the Watakola mine. During my visit to the mine last month, I was briefed that the mine has undertaken significant capital investments to modernize the mine infrastructure, improve underground working conditions, ensure cost-effective power generation, and improve its gold recovery or milling process. Given the capital intensive and volatile nature of mining, the support of relevant stakeholders, including landowners, is integral in the success of such projects. As such, I encourage all of the Nasomo Landowners Trust and the wider Watakola and Tavua mining community to continue to support Watakola Gold Mine in its efforts to secure the future of mining in Watakola. And I congratulate the mine also for being able to access a source of funding that should allow the mine to expand, and hopefully when the mine expands, Tavua also does well, and all the people in this area. So we're very grateful. I think we thank you for your confidence in the Watakola Gold Mine, and we hope that you'll have many more years of mining gold successfully here for the benefit of everybody. To conclude, it is imperative that all recipients sustainably manage these funds and utilize it wisely. I also urge the Trust to utilize its community fund transparently for community development that will bring in tangible benefits for the current and future generation of Nasomo. And I think this payout has come at a good time, Christmas tomorrow, And as we do the payment here, the money is already in your bank account. Money is already in your bank account. Okay, wakanda itakatan nga weekend na sigila ni sigini kuwa. Opa ni bina kabana ngone turangan na Prime Minister. Na raiyawa na numa. Na sigini royalty ka no tunga na matentu mesa wasi weekend na tokini ke. Wambo tanyo sin nisa na baka kana bakla na kana bina. May namba ki ronon dultin kawal. Vera tokini ke le rasin tubir na yombula kanda lista katanga non rangele. Prime Minister tarangango ko sa ambitan na baka tutu me wasi baka tutu batanelis. Wasi baka tutu bata. Vera mbula chukini kuwa wata ke rasimber na bagichin kawalu e maroroi ne wasi ni bata nilis menala. Sanga chukana wantoro na Prime Minister na video taki. La kamay na kabina kamay na yombula sa na lista kiningela mamada me wasi babina ka weekend na tukingela. Vera na sudu ba ke simber sudu. Mada sao chico boli me kandau. Mada ongo chico me kandau. Onga la chico me singa bukulul. Warata chico na turanga roko me kandau. Nona wera turanga neta sir me kalam. Tono ko sa non revedes des sa non rakawa sa na reda ngona gera mbaki chin kawalu kena. Sa tu wera na ilabo kana ngona mbaki chin kawalia sa tura na ilabo me tarkin na bal. Ya na labo de lis mbak sa botay wato to wat. Anda ba mi na chicken. Ba mi na chicken na turanga Prime Minister na riau. Wasi me weekend na ilabongo, wasi tanang abato wat na labandis me yang weekend. Sa ano kumasu kemto na turang. Plan to sa taraw sa ilabo, nakabaliw na takatapat chika na kampanya go. Meron into na sinsudo nakabikim ni patikir na nomini Leonie Trust. Di may chiko, may ndo chong ko po sa laka-laka na sigalewin sigini kuwa. December ni solid na tamo ni check wait meron go, hindi na nga ni sa tura ni account nila.